Yo, what up? It's your boy, Mr. M. Hauer, back with another. No. Here's a weekly update for Monday. Usually these will come on Wednesday, but because we're starting on Wednesday, I thought, everybody might post on Wednesday. I don't want it to be overwhelming. I also want to give you a little more time just because your assignment this week is to listen to a podcast episode, which I know some of you are already groaning, but it's good. It's like 50 minutes long. And like always, when I get to that, don't just sit and listen. Do it while you're folding laundry or washing the dishes or making lunch or whatever it is, walking your dog, whatever it is you do. I'm going to start at the top of the list and work my way down. Try to keep this somewhat short. Just a quick recap. If you haven't watched the pre-week video that I posted a week ago, please watch that. It just has some good basic information of what we're going to be doing. And it also has a small assignment that I would like you to do on Flipgrid, which most of you have done, but some of you have not. And I want to see that and make sure that you have access and know how to use Flipgrid is the main thing. And just to check in, it's really nice to see you guys, honestly, and see what you end up doing for that. There's an online, I have in quotes, schedule that is going out. I guess I'm not a fan of it, but it's a necessary thing. It'll run Monday through Thursday. I'm not going to post it here just because you guys should get it or your parents should get it, and it might change or something, so I don't want to post the wrong one. I got to look at it last week. But basically, it says when each class period is supposed to meet twice a week, what day and what time. For our purposes, we will not have, at least not in the foreseeable future, a live meeting where all of us are expected to be in front of our computer at a certain time. Online learning is nice in that we get to make our own time when we want to do stuff, and I want to utilize that. There may be a day where we want to meet up and do it with a purpose, but I'm not just going to do it for no reason. Flipgrid will serve our purpose of being relevant and personal and connecting with each other, and that's good enough for me. And we'll continue that way. If I do have to take attendance or something, I will just post a Google form question. That'll be a check-in that you'll just answer, and more info on that as I get my instructions of what to do. Our weekly procedure, as I've said before, is we'll start classes on Wednesday. Always I'll post a video like this with a notepad probably of the tasks for you to do, and those tasks will end up being due Tuesday. Because of the nature of this class, a lot of what we do will be some kind of thing that I'd like you to reflect on, look at, and maybe develop ideas about, and then also to discuss with other people. So your guys' class might be a week's be just like this week will be, which is I want you to do something for Friday and then something else for Tuesday. Like post your content by Friday, respond to others' content by Tuesday. It's just split up, but I won't make multiple videos. I'll just put it all here. Okay. Class this week, I would like you to listen to the Moment podcast episode with Seth Godin. I'm going to link it in as many ways as possible on Classroom, whether that's a YouTube video, a podcast link, or any other way to listen. I haven't looked into it yet. I just listen with Apple Podcasts, but I'll put that up for you. I'd like you to reflect and respond to the message. This is something that is topical, and I know people are probably tired of hearing about COVID-19. We're not going to spend all of our, the rest of the year on this, but I thought this was the most refreshing yet topical thing that I had read, that I had seen about what's happening, and I was really fired up when I heard it. At about the 8-minute point where he starts talking about selfish leadership, that was where I sat up and just said, we need to listen to this in class. I had something else completely different planned, and I just switched it to this, and Mr. Sanders actually shared this with me as well. So that's why we're doing it. Reflect and respond to the message. I'd consider jotting notes as you go. Maybe just keeping them in your phone of points that you want to reflect on, because it's a longer, open kind of discussion. There are a lot of pieces up for discussion from you guys. There's also a pretty nice ad in there. I'm sure some of you will really like when you hear it. So look forward to that. I want you to post your reflection and response in a 3-minute or less video on Flipgrid by Friday. That's Friday night. Have it up by Friday so people have the materials they need to do the next assignment, which is respond with a Flipgrid reply by Tuesday. Replies on Flipgrid are with little videos, so you just do a video reply. Make it personal, make it important, and don't just say, hey, I thought you had a good video. I mean, respond and react and comment upon and build upon what other people say. We're kind of emulating a class discussion here. So I look forward. I think you guys will do a nice job with this, and I look forward to seeing what you do. I'll be posting my thoughts as well and replying, so look forward to that. I'm not going to post right away. I'm going to wait till other people post so that you all just don't copy what I do. But I will likely respond to that beginning part, at least somewhat, about the selfish leadership. It's just an excellent point he makes. Lastly, I'll have some links on the classroom post for Feed Your Mind. I think it's really important when we're home, and they touch on this in the podcast. We don't want to use this as an excuse to be lethargic and go into ourselves and just become mindless drones. Of course, there's time to sit and rewatch Gossip Girl or whatever it is we're rewatching or things like that, but we should also take it as an opportunity to continue to grow and think and learn. And I know you guys are probably rolling your eyes at this, but I'm just going to post some things that I've been enjoying lately, YouTube videos, podcasts, things like that you may or may not find interesting, completely optional, will not be graded. Just feed your mind and stay active. Also consider blogging and posting your blog for us in the comments. I would love to see what you guys are thinking about coming up. I'm aware that Easter is coming. I will make our assignment next week reflect the shortened week, but we will still keep our normal schedule of Wednesday to Tuesday, if you're wondering. So that would be assuming we have Friday, Monday off, but again, it's online learning. I'll just give you a little less to do. It would be 60% of what a normal week would be since we'll have 2 days off. Miss you all for realsies. Peace.